Good morning, everyone. How are we all doing today? It's early. I haven't cleaned up yet. Laundry still has to be done. It's one of those days. I wanted to go out for breakfast, but I don't want to go out. So I've been wanting to try this for a long time. If you all remember back, God, it's about a year ago, we tried a video from Tasty making their cola brownies. And it was the biggest flop ever. It was just a watery mess. And even when I tried to cook it, it was just horrendous. So I'm going to try another one of their videos. So this, though, I have seen few other people do. I've seen it done lots of different ways. So I'm going to take my spin on it. We'll turn the camera around. We'll do a quick little show off of what we have here. And you can get a better idea of what we're going to be trying to make today. So as you all see, we have, well, this is what's known as speck. Sorry, the knife block is in the way. Which is kind of like a prosciutto, except it is smoked, whereas prosciutto is not. We have a single egg, we have some cheese, some peppers, and a tortilla. So we're making a breakfast wrap, effectively. But we're going to try doing it the Tasty way. So if this works, it's going to be great. If it doesn't work, it's still going to be delicious. It's just not going to be as fun as what they did. So let's move around everything. I've got my fry pan going with just a little bit of butter in there. I'll start getting some of those peppers in there because we just want to sort of cook them up to soften a little bit. Just a bit, doesn't take much. So give me a sec again. We're going to move the camera again and let's go from there. As you see, we have our fry pan here. We're just, like I say, quickly softening these up a little bit. Just a little bit of butter in the pan. Sorry about that. We're having some technical difficulties. Hopefully everything will be okay now. Put that there and give it a little bit of support. So we have just some butter in here with our red peppers that we're letting to slowly soften. Everything here is being done on low heat. That's really important for some of the next steps. So we're just going to give our peppers a little bit of salt. And again. If all these pan falls make it into the video, I'm really sorry. If not, and I've edited them out, you have no clue what I'm talking about. So like I say, we do this over very low heat for a couple of reasons. One, when you're cooking eggs, it doesn't take high heat. If it looks cooked in the pan, it's overcooked on your plate. So just go slow. Now we're going to take our eggs that we showed you before and very slowly. We don't want to just dump it all in. I've only put about half in there. And just sort of let that cook a bit. I'm going to add a little bit more. Basically, I want this egg layer fairly thin. So we're just going to let that quickly cook, set up on the bottom. And this is where you do want a good non-stick fry pan. You know I love my cast iron, and I always use it. But this is one pan that I have solely for the use of eggs. Now while that's cooking, we're just going to put down a little bit of our mozzarella. You can use any cheese that you like, but I find mozzarella is just a nice, creamy, neutral flavor. And we are going to put our tortilla right on top of that. And get rid of the piece of cheese that's on there. And we're going to sort of push that down so it sticks together. Make sure nothing is sticking. We'll just give that a second or two more. Now, I don't think the camera's going to get this, but we're going to try. And we give it a flip. The tortilla and everything, we give it a flip. So now my tortilla is on the bottom, and it's helping to cook the egg on that side. We're just going to put in some of that speck. You can use ham, you can use bacon, you can use whatever you like. Once again, sorry for that. Our camera stand is being stupid today. Now we're just going to sort of fold this up, just like you would an omelet. So right now what's happening is the speck is warming through. The cheese is melting. The egg is fully cooked. The peppers are cooked now. Try and get this. Oh, it's not going to work because it's just too big. If you do have to use a regular spatula, make sure it's a non-stick. And all we're doing now really is just crisping up that tortilla. Again, all over low heat. I know you're seeing a lot of smoke, probably. That is actually something that stuck to the burner. And it's just slowly burning off. Always remember when you're cooking what burner is hot and what burner isn't. Because the last thing you want to do is put something on a burner that you just turned off and it melts everywhere. So this is almost done. Just give it another little flip. You can see we're all nice and golden brown there. While that's finishing up, we'll get a little plate. Now, if you have bigger tortillas, that's great. Just make sure you have a fry pan big enough to hold them all. So, let's pause, put the camera back. All right, we're back. Done quite a few camera moves in this one. I think it's going to be time to invest in another camera and some kind of setup where we can do multiple cameras. But we have our sandwich. We've taken our thumbnails. Just look at that inside. So much good stuff in there. So call this what you want, a breakfast wrap, a breakfast quesadilla in a way. But I'm sorry, McDonald's has nothing on that. Cooked fresh, cooked with the stuff you want in it. Oh man. Speck to me is just one of those things. If you can get it, try it. It's not cheap, but a little goes a long way. It's got such a smoky, salty flavor. Goes so well with the eggs and the cheese and everything in here. Better than bacon by a long shot. And you know me, I love bacon. But A cheese pull with breakfast. Is there any better way to start the day? Cook fresh, tastes incredible. You saw how quick and simple that was. Yes, I had everything pre-cut, but that took 2 minutes. You can have your peppers diced in the fridge in a little container, and in the morning just heat up your fry pan, toss them in, and away you go. Breakfast is done. Change it up. Put some crumbled sausage in there. Change your cheeses. Add a splash of salsa, some hot peppers. The choice is limitless. The only choice really is what you put in it and what you like. So, I'm gonna go have my breakfast. I already have my coffee brewed. It's time to go eat, relax, edit this video, and enjoy my Saturday. So until next time, everyone, I am the 5 p.m. chef. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification so you see when I come out with new videos, normally every once or twice a week. We do food tastings, we do snack tastings, we do all kinds of stuff. It's not just cooking. If there is something you would like to see me make, leave me a comment down below. If you're coming back to the channel, well, thank you ever so much. It's because of you that I do these videos every week. So until next time, I'm going to go eat, then I'm going to clean up the mess from everybody, and we will see you all next time. Bye.